What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend. My name is Ri Qui.
And I'm Qui.
And on this channel, we do everything luxury, beauty, and fashion. So if you are new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And to our loyal subbies, what's up?
And in today's video, we are doing a video on an unboxing.
Yay!
A YSL unboxing. So if you're interested, keep watching. Open that thing up, girl. Hey, open that thing up, girl.
You gonna mess your hair up. Alright, you guys, so this is what I'm gonna be unboxing. If you guys can tell from the title, this is YSL's one of their most affordable bags. I actually purchased this bag from Saks. I have been wanting it for a little while now, so.
But wait, forget all that. Tell them how you got the bag. Who hit you up and told you it was a sale?
She hit me up. Oh, Lord. So she called me like, oh my gosh, Saks is having a freaking sale. You need to get on this. And I'm sleep. Usually if anything drops, she's the first to know.
7 a.m.
Yeah, she
6 or 7 a.m.
Listen, she freaking hunched these sites down.
I'm a sale hunter.
She is. And every time they drop a sale, she will call me. So with Saks, they had this purse. It was $200 off. So I had to get it. So I just want to show you guys exactly what I got. We both love YSL. If you guys did not know, check out some other videos. We will list them up above. But let's go ahead and unbox this baby. So I have not looked at this purse. I usually just want to keep this for you guys.
Wait a minute. Are you unboxing this with a pen?
Yeah, I don't have scissors. I don't have scissors. So we're gonna do this with a pen. We're gonna do this.
Oh, she is. Clutch it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's okay. It came right open though. It came right open. Okay.
Yay.
Let's see.
Did you open it already?
No, I haven't opened it at all. So this is what it looks like. I'm so excited to see this. So it has the Saks paper in the front. So let me go ahead, take this out, and
yay! I just love unboxings. Like, even if it's not for me, I feel like it's Christmas. I'm interested.
Yes.
I want to see what it is.
I'm so excited. And I just did an unboxing. It feels like I've just been purchasing a lot of things, but I don't think I have. I think I've just bought 2 things. And
I mean, you've been purchasing sneakers and everything else too.
Okay.
So, nah, you've been kind of getting a little bit, you know.
So this is the box. Of course, it's the regular YSL boxing. And so, oh my gosh. Let me open this up.
Oh my gosh.
It always feels like Christmas, for real. And so it is in the dust bag. And are you guys ready? Yay! Oh, I got another layer. Okay, so this is what I got.
Aw, she's so cute.
Isn't she so freaking cute? So what I have is the YSL, the Toy Loulou, and it is the black on black. And at one point I did want the silver and black, but that one was sold out and it wasn't on sale when I actually looked for it. But this one was on sale, and I'm actually pretty happy that I got it, because with this black on black, I feel like I can wear it with anything. And so this is the chain. Oh,
it's
so I
actually
gotta
a leather
together.
strap and not a chain.
Oh, so it's a leather strap. Okay,
Yeah.
can you hold this?
Yes.
I'm gonna take off the little wrap into it.
I'm like Vanna White.
Oh, Lord. You know what? I kind of wish that it was a chain.
Well, you know, it's interchangeable, so that's good. You can always get your own chain, of course.
That is true. Oop, got my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just attach these straps.
Yeah, do that, son. Do that, son. Do
Oh.
it. Oh, she's a cutie.
Oh, it is so freaking cute. So
Oh,
this
girl, look
bag,
at it on camera though.
Oh.
It's nice.
it looks so nice, and I absolutely love this. At first, Qui, this was actually on her wish list, her luxury wish list for this year, and she had this on her wish list, and I was like, oh, I don't like it. It's black on black. But then when she showed it to me and I saw some other videos, I was like, heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
I like that. I like that. So yeah, so this is the purse.
Super cute.
Super cute.
Chevron. I want to say this may be calf skin. It's a smooth leather. Let's see.
And
Pop
then
it open.
the inside it's stuffed, so let me take the stuffing out. They packaged this very well. So this is the inside of the bag, you guys. It does have 2 compartments, and it also has a zipper, the little closure back here, the zip pocket. So I really like that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and throw a couple items in here to see what can fit really quickly. So I do have my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, so I'm gonna place that in there. I do have my card holder. Oh, I'm liking this already. It's fitting everything in there. And I do have my cell phone, and this is the iPhone, and it is a 10 Plus.
Look, I'm looking like, oh girl,
yeah, it does. So far it's all fitted in there. And then I do have my Baccarat perfume. This is the travel size, so that fit. And then of course my red lipstick, honey. Let's see if that'll fit. Ooh, so far.
Does your makeup fit? Does your compact?
Ooh, I don't know about the compact. It's a little, it'll be like a tight fit. Oh, so my compact fits also.
See if it closes.
Let's see if it closes.
Oh, it does.
Yep.
Does it close?
So it does close. So it fits all of that inside of this little cute purse.
I literally want this bag in every single color. This is going to take the place of the Chanel Mini for me, because I cannot get with the prices of Chanel right now. Like, it's a mess. It's very, very, very expensive. So I feel like if you want a Chanel Mini and you don't want to pay the price, I think this is a great alternative. And I mean, it's super cute, and for the price,
yes, the price was unremarkable. We'll go ahead and just leave the link for you guys. So with Saks, so what they do, they'll have these sales to where if you spend a certain amount of money, they'll give you like $100 off, $200 off. So just be on the lookout for those sales. Make sure you guys sign up for their, it's like the email.
Yeah, you can
and
sign
they'll
up for the email.
Yeah, sign up for the email and they will send you all of these sales.
Also, if you follow us on Chiq Blend's Instagram at Chiq Blend, we'll put it there somewhere for you.
Yes.
We always put sales in our stories. So if you watch our stories, you'll see sales. So if Neiman's is having a sale, Saks, which is typically where we'll shop from, sometimes My Teresa, Farfetch, stores like that, will definitely let you know when the sales are happening.
All right, and I'm so excited about this bag.
Me too. You know what? And this is your first black on black.
Yes.
So yeah.
I have no black on black. I really don't have any black on silvers either, so I've just been going for a lot of these colors, and I'm really happy because usually, as you guys can see, I usually wear something that is black. So I'm excited to have it.
That is the end of our video. If you like what you see here, make sure you subscribe. Definitely make sure you leave us any questions or comments down below. And today's question of the day will be,
would you actually purchase this toy Lulu? Would you get it? Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Put it down below, you guys. Alright, you guys, don't forget to stay what?
Chiq.
Chiq Squad
Out.